1300 meters is the dispatch, and they rob. The Chosen One draws for your lead. Moving up by the release, final countdown. Then moving up on the outside, King Bearheart. Islam Shots comes next. Wheel of Fame racing in fifth. Abasta, Wow Wow West, then followed by runner number 5, Counselor, as they race towards the last 800. Final countdown in command by about 5 lengths. Running in second by the rail is the Chosen One, King Bearheart on the outside. Then moving up now is Wheel of Fame, Slam Shots. Basta, Wow Wow West, Counselor, rounding at the last 6. Out 3 lengths, King running in second, the Chosen One. Wheel of Fame closing in fourth by the rail, Slam Shot. Basta, as they swing for home. Final countdown, the Chosen One, Slam Shots, King Bearheart. Wheel of Fame moving up on the outside, and down the stretch they come. King Bearheart running by the rail, Wheel of Fame moving up on the outside, Slam Shots, the Chosen One, King Bearheart. Wheel of Fame moves up on the outside, and finally Wheel of Fame, King Bearheart, the Chosen One. Then comes final countdown, Slam Shot.